Lesson 7. Using a passive buzzer. In this lesson, we are using a piezo buzzer that makes a small click when you apply voltage to it. Try it. For the sake of time, in this video we only introduce the key blocks needed for this lesson. If you want to know the basic blocks, please check the video tutorial of our previous course or our website link. Thank you. Opened our tutorials, find the Starter Learning Kit lesson. We are learn the lesson 7. Using a passive buzzer. Let's code blocks for this experiment. At first, we are using the start melody repeating. This block takes all of the frustration out of getting music out of a microcontroller. It is as simple as selecting one of a number of songs that are pre-programmed into make code and how many times you want it to repeat and you are done. Note that when a melody is playing no other code can run. This is called blocking code and has to be accounted for you in your program. Second, we are using play tone for. The play tone for block is pretty standard if you are used to making sound with other microcontrollers. For example, tone function in Arduino is pretty much the same as this block. The play tone for block accepts a note that you would like the buzzer to produce and the length of time in beats per second that you would like it to play. Third, download this example by clicking the download button in the upper right hand corner of the code window. After download the program to microbit. What you should hear, a song should start. When that song is done, you can press one of the buttons, and another song will start. Each button has its own song, and there's another song if you press both buttons at the same time. Enjoy your sound machine and feel free to swap out the song of your choice.